Oh, this is gonna be good.
Are you sure Promise got one?
Yeah, Promise chased out the one upstairs.
Well, then it flew out of the house.
Now, then this is Thor's turn. Thor's gonna get it now. Big Thor's coming now.
What, there was another bird?
Yes, there's 2 of them.
That's 5 birds.
Promise, I think, killed the first one. Now Thor gets the second one for his little treat. This is like the 8th time we had this bird in here. It's ridiculous.
Well, he might have went out the side.
I think Promise tried to kill him.
No, there's nobody. Come on.
Oh, there's Thor. Thor's like, get over here now. You're my lunch. You think this camera was right by here? Because I have no idea where my Android went.
Oh, don't get Mrs. Kitty. Come on out.
Hey, move your hand.
No. You want to come this way. No. You don't want to do that.
Oh, shit. You wanted to break the thing. Why'd you keep him in here, David?
I didn't. There goes the kid.
Oh, David, get him. Oh, nice. Get the cat out.
I guess this would be a good time